Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create featured collection on Shopify. With Shopify, once you add products onto your Shopify store, it automatically creates a featured products section. But a lot of the time, you want to customize it. For example, you'd like to rearrange how the products look and so on. With this tutorial, you'll be able to do that. Now, to get started, you're going to need to go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to select products. After selecting products, from the drop-down menu option, you're going to tap on collections. Once you have tapped on collections, you're going to tap on create collection in the top right-hand corner. After doing that, you can give your collection a name. So let's say, for example, we are just going to call it test. Then you're going to select manual, and from there you're going to tap on save in the bottom right hand corner or the top right hand corner. After you have done that, right where you see search products, you're going to tap on browse, and you can select the products that you would like to display on your featured collection. Then you're going to tap on add. After you have tapped on add, if you would like to rearrange the products, so let's say, for example, I would like the test product to be first, then I'm going to add B, C, D. All I would need to do is tap right where you see best selling, and you're going to tap on manually. Then from there, I'm going to simply tap on the 6 dots right here, and you can pull it in the order that you want. So you can see how it looks now. Once you have rearranged it to your liking, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on online store. Then once on your theme page, you're going to tap on customize. After selecting customize, from the left-hand menu option, you're going to tap on featured collection. Once you have tapped on featured collection, you can change the heading if you want, and you're going to scroll down, and right where you see collection, you're going to tap on change, and you're going to select change collection. Then you're going to select the collection that you have created, and you can see it right there. After you have selected the collection you have created, you're going to tap on select in the bottom left hand corner. And also, if it is a case that you'd like to display more products, you can simply pull along the slider that says maximum products to show. So you can pull it to the right if you'd like to display more. If it is a case that you like to display less, you can pull it to the left, as you can see right there. So the option is up to you. Once you're finished doing this, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.